In this video, we will learn how to find the mean of a frequency distribution, both by hand and in StatCrunch. So in this problem, we have frequency distribution showing the number of surgeries that a group of individuals had within the last 5 years. And we want to find the mean of this frequency distribution. So here we can see the number of surgeries from 0 to 6 and how many people had this number of surgeries. So 25 people had 0 surgeries, 14 people had 1 surgery, and so on. So if you remember, our formula to find the mean is we add up all of our data points and divide by however many there are. So the frequency distribution works the same way. So if we added up 0 25 times, plus 1 14 times, plus 2 11 times, and divide them by our total frequency, that would give us our mean. So the formula for that is the sum of our x times the frequency, so frequency, divided by the sum of the frequency. So the number of surgeries, these are our data points, so those are our x, and f is our frequency. So instead of adding up 0 25 times, adding up 1 14 times, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply them to get our x times f. So 0 times 25 will give us 0, and 1 times 14 will give us 14. 2 times 11 will give us 22. 3 times 8 is 24. 9 times 4 will give us 36. And then we'll have 10 and 6. So to get this top number here, it wants us to take the sum. This E means add up. So we're going to add up all of this column. So if we add up the 0 plus the 24 plus the 14 plus the 22 and so on, what we will get is 112. So that's going to be the top. And then we want to add up the frequency. So take the sum of the frequency. So if we add up all of these, we will get 70. So we have 70 on the bottom. And 112 divided by 70 will give us an average of 1.6. So that means out of our people here, the average person got 1.6 surgeries within the last 5 years. Alright, so that's how we do it by hand. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do it in StatCrunch. So I'm going to go into StatCrunch. And I already have all of our data points typed in. And what we want to do is we want to go into Stat, Calculators, and we're going to do a custom calculator. And once we do that, we want to put number of surgeries, our x, in the values in, and the weights is our frequency. So that'll go there. And then once you have those two filled in, you can hit compute. And what this will do is this will make a distribution. So this means 35% of the data points were 0 surgeries, about 20% were 1 surgery, and so on. So this gives us our mean right down here, which is 1.6, which also agrees with what we did by hand. So that is how you find the frequency distribution mean both in by hand and in StatCrunch.